Hey everyone, and welcome back to Creative Roken. I am so super excited today because we are going to make 3 different types of adorable and squishy crafts together from scratch. We have the lovely pink dumpling, the amazing purin paper craft, and the gorgeous green dumpling squishy. I have prepared every single detail of these with so much love for you. And I just know you are going to love making them as much as I do. Before we dive into the fun part, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy watching this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out. Your support means the world to me and gives me so much energy. Grab your materials and let's get started right away. And look, our gorgeous pink dumpling squishy is ready. Isn't it super cute? Now, let's move on and start the next dumpling tutorial. Now, it is time for our super cute purin paper craft squishy. Let me show you step by step how to make this fun paper squishy easily at home. First, you need to draw your favorite character on a piece of paper, just like this adorable purin design, and color it nicely with bright markers. After coloring, to make it strong, shiny, and protected, we covered the entire drawing on both sides with clear packaging tape. Next, carefully cut out the shape along the lines using your scissors. When you have your front and back pieces ready, place them together and tape around most of the edges. But remember to leave a small open gap through this little opening. We gently stuff it with soft cotton or filling to give it that amazing, satisfying squishy texture. Finally, seal up the remaining gap completely with tape. And your cute paper squishy is all finished and ready to play with.